What's up, everybody? So I finally got my package in the mail. Finally, I've waited for a little bit over a week for it now, and it just now arrived. And as you guys can tell from the title, you already know what it is, but I'll go ahead and open it now. Need to worry about that. Okay, so here it is, my Canon 5D Mark IV. Close this up before I cut myself. This is my first Canon ever. Instructions. Oh, these are some thick books. Oh, this one got all messed up. Little discs. Software. Set that stuff off to the side. Some cords, more packing. Battery, eyepiece thing, charger, strap, and finally the body itself. Get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. This is a big moment. Here it is. This is gonna be nice. So nice. I'm super excited about this. Super excited. So, why did I go with this camera? Why did I go with Canon in general? Well, I went with Canon just because they have such a wide variety of lenses and everything, and I don't know, there's just always good reviews about everything Canon. And I'll get my other camera here eventually. But I just kind of wanted a Canon because I've just always heard good things about it, and I went with this one because a lot of people have it and people really like it. Now it's kind of more expensive, and it's kind of old. It's like what, 3 or 4 years old now, but still, it's still a good camera. It's better than what I have. A little bit more money than I would have liked to spend, but hey. I just couldn't. I had to buy it. Slide this puppy on now. There it is. Can't wait. I'm gonna go ahead and get my Nikon to do a little side by side comparison here. Okay, so here's my Nikon camera. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Oh, I hate when you don't have the thing with you to do this. There it is. Come on. There we go. Alright, just put that right there. Okay, here's a little comparison now. The size it's way bigger. Way bigger. This is a Nikon D5100, and it's like, I want to say it's like 8 years old now. Yeah, it's just not that impressive anymore. There's no point in me continuing with this one. I mean, it's a good little camera. It's a good beginner camera and everything. And it's taken a lot of cool pictures out. I'm not gonna lie about that. camera. Probably end up selling this one unless a family member wants it. Then I'll just give it to them. But yeah, the one main thing that I'm going to miss is this Nikon has a nice flip out screen on it. So like low angle pictures, you can look at it real nice, and it's just a handy thing to have now. And of course, the 5D Mark IV does not have that. It's all connected, can't do it. That's one thing I'm going to really miss. It's the main thing I'm going to miss with this. Now I could have went with a lower end Canon and had that, but I just really wanted this camera. I don't know, it just piqued my interest. Now let's get to what else I got with it. And of course it came with a SD card. I have it somewhere. I don't know where it's at. But this came with part of a package. It was a little battery grip. So I mean that's kind of cool that it came with like a cool little battery grip for free. It's like a $300 battery grip, and I got it for free, so I'm not going to complain about that. Too bad it takes 2 batteries, and I only have 1 battery right now. But I mean, it's still a cool little thing. Then the camera is instantly humongous. It's like the 5D Mark II or what? No, what is it? The 1DX Mark II or whatever. It's like that now, and it's way heavier now. There's not even a battery in it or anything, but it would be really nice. This will be really nice for portraits and stuff. Will work really nice for that. Now look at that size difference. Absolutely huge difference. Huge difference. Along with the battery grip that I'm going to go ahead and take off now because I'm not going to be using it today. Along with this, I needed a lens, obviously, and I went with a cheap 50mm lens, 1.8. It's like $125, and I mean it's like one of their most popular lenses, so I couldn't really pass that up for the price, anyways. And of course, I'm gonna be buying another lens eventually, but this is my first time with a Canon camera, so I figured it's a good beginner thing for me to start learning the camera on instead of buying a $1,000 lens and taking terrible pictures because I don't know how to use the camera yet. So just went with this for right now, and yeah, let's go ahead and slap it on there. And there it is. I can't believe how heavy it is. So yeah, I just went with the 50mm because it's a nice cheap lens and it has a lot of good reviews about it. I'm going to go ahead and take this out and have some fun with it. Hope you guys are having a great day as always. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys stay positive and have fun. And I'll see you guys in the next video.